A lot of people know Whistler to be one of the skiing capitals of Canada, but not a lot of people know that it's also home to one of the most luxurious spas in the country. That's right, I'm talking about the Scandinave Spa Whistler, and the reason why a lot of you might not know this is because it's a no phones allowed spa. So not many people have any footage of what it looks like inside there.
So I'll take you in for a little tour on what I am allowed to film. No promises on how much I can get, but let's do it.
The spa's location is already pretty secluded. It's just outside of the Whistler village. When you walk in, you feel like you're heading on a retreat to Nepal. When you get inside the spa at reception, there's a nice seating area, some traditional spa music playing. You feel like you've just been hit with an air sedative.
You can sit in our robes and go sit on the edge and have coffee and look at the view. That looks nice.
Are you excited?
I'm excited. They have a coffee shop.
When you get to the Scandinave Spa, you can choose to either order a massage plus the bath treatment, or you can just get the bath treatment. I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about what that is in just a sec. So after you made your choice, at reception they offer you the choice on spending a couple extra dollars for a bathrobe or not. Pro tip, always take the bathrobe. We went downstairs to go get changed in our separate lockers, and we saw this big sign that says, "No phones allowed."
So technically you have 2 strikes here where you can't speak, use technology, or do anything. And if you get 2 strikes, then they ask you to leave. I might bring the GoPro, try and get a little bit of footage.
You really want to push your luck here.
Yeah, I might get a strike.
You might get like 5 with that.
Yeah? I don't know.
I don't know either.
And we thought at that point, this video would just end and we'd only be able to show you what pretty much everyone else can show you, which is just the outside and the cafe. But after we did our first lap walking around the whole spa, we saw a couple people who were taking pictures and on their phones. So I figured, why not bring my GoPro out, put it in my robe? So first in the bath area, when you walk in, you have cold therapy, which essentially is a freezing tub of cold water that you plunge in for 5 to 10 seconds. And then you have hot therapy, which is basically really hot tubs. And then the last part is the rest area. So these consist of either outdoor chairs or things called solariums. The way the whole bath therapy system works is you sit in the hot therapy for about 15 minutes, and then you take a 5 to 10 second cold plunge, and then you take another 15 minutes in a solarium or anywhere that you can just go rest in. You're supposed to do this 3 to 4 times, and that consists of your whole spa routine. So Sharon and I were more than happy to start off with the hot therapy on a cold winter day.
It's supposed to be hot. Hot pool. This is so cool. I'm in a hot tub in the snow. This hurts more than it feels good. Wow. Wow, it's nice now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And then after 15 minutes, we dreadfully went into the cold plunge.
No, go in there.
Oh, I just did a cold plunge. Feels good. How you feel?
I can't breathe. That's the coldest water I've ever felt in my life.
Yeah?
That was rough. Really cold.
I definitely want a solarium in my house when I'm older. It's just a lit up room full of natural light. They put some calm spa music and you're just lying down in your bathrobe with your towel. Total vibe. So like I said, they recommend that you do this about 3 to 4 times in total. So that's what we did. We wanted to make sure that we went in every single room we could possibly go into.
Look at the things I do for you guys. Undercover, undercover.
very relaxed.
Yeah?
It's like, what is it? Like an hour feels like it's been like 5 hours. People always say that it's really good to take a moment and slow down in life, and I feel like I actually understand what that means now.
Life happens so fast. It's so important to give yourself the opportunity to get out of that quick life and slow things down. Can't tell you how good I feel right now that we're just sitting here doing something we never do in our daily lives. Like, look at a room like this, all lit up and sunny. I would love for one of these in my house. Just sit down every day in the sun and enjoy.
Wow. Wow.
Pretty nice.
So there it is. That's an inside look for you at the Scandinave Spa Whistler. In my opinion, one of the most luxurious spas in the country. I highly recommend that you visit here if you're ever in Whistler. I think if there's one thing that we can all agree on, if you're gonna spend any sort of money, let it be on yourself and your own personal growth.
Remember, mental health always, it's a mindset.
Thanks for watching, and if you like videos like this on Canadian travel and personal growth, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later this week for the next video.